Good morning, students. Today we will go with English grammar, chapter number 18, conjunctions. It is there in your page number 82 of your English grammar textbook. Open the textbook so that whatever I am just explaining over here, you can also learn it and understand better from your textbook also. Hope you have already opened page number 82 of your English grammar textbook. Okay. Now, the first thing is a definition that is written over here. See, conjunction are words that join words, phrases and sentences. The definition of conjunction is, conjunction are the words that join words, phrases or sentences. Then they are also called connectors or joining words. See, the conjunctions are also known as connectors. The connectors means what? To connect things, okay? They are also known as connectors or joining words. Some common conjunctions are and, but, or, because. See, some common conjunction that is used to join the sentences or the phrase or the words are and, but, or, because. So one example is written over here, okay? The Sumit was unhappy. Then another sentence can be like this: his cousins left without informing him. See, these are the two different type of or different sentences. Now, what is the role of a conjunction is that the conjunctions connect. I told now what is the definition of conjunction. The conjunction means that connects the sentences, words or phrases. Suppose these are the two different type of sentences, and what is the word that is connecting over is because. See, it's connecting both the sentences. So your correct form of sentences with the help of conjunctions will be like this: Sumit was unhappy because his cousins left without telling him. Understood? Now, the definition of conjunction and one example should be written down in your English grammar notebook. So, in your page number 82, there is a box over there. In that box, it is written that you have to keep this in mind. See, there are different types or different varieties of conjunctions that can be used over here. The first one is, some conjunction shows contrast. Contrast means though, although, but, still is an example of the word contrast. The example is, though he was ill, he went to school. So though is a conjunction over here that is used. Though he was ill. See, no matter he was ill, then also he went to school. It is a conjunction of contrast. Now the second one is the conjunctions shows reasons. See, some of the conjunctions also shows the reasons. Some common conjunctions are as, since, so, hence. So one example is, Rohit is not coming to school since the last few days. Since last few days, who is not coming? Rohit is not coming to school. That also shows the conjunctions of reasons. Now I will be going with the next two conjunctions. Now the next one, the third one is, we can also use conjunction to show purpose. We can also use the word conjunctions in the form of purpose. One example is so that, and the example written on my board is, you should work hard so that you pass the exam. See, the purpose means if you want to pass your examination, the thing is that you have to work hard. So the word so that is a conjunction used over here. The next one is, some conjunction expresses choice. Some conjunctions also expresses the choice. Example is or, otherwise. So one example written on my board is, you can have tea or coffee. So here the word conjunction here or tells us about the choice. See, you can have tea or a coffee and the word or is a conjunction that is connecting the sentences or the word or the phrase. So hope students you have understood what a conjunction is write down the definition of conjunction that is there in your page number 82 of your English grammar textbook with one example in your English grammar notebook. Thank you.